This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. SQL Server and Visual Studio are installed. Next, open SSMS and create or verify the database and user. This ensures a target for queries. Once done, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and restart the service so connections work. Then open Visual Studio and create a VB, NET Windows or console project. Make sure system data SQL client is referenced. Finally, prepare connection details, server name, database name, and whether you use Windows or SQL authentication, so you implement the connection in code. Create a SQL connection with a properly formatted connection string. This is how VB NET talks to SQL Server. Once you have the connection, use using blocks to open and automatically dispose resources. This prevents leaks. Create SQL command objects for select, insert, update. Always add parameters with SQL parameter to avoid injection. For queries that return rows, use execute reader. For non-query use, execute non-query, and for single values, use execute scalar. Make sure to handle exceptions so you can close or roll back as needed. Finish by wrapping database calls with try. Catch blocks and use transaction scope or SQL transaction for atomic operations. This keeps data consistent. Once implemented, test the app against a test database and verify the user has appropriate permissions. If something goes wrong, first confirm server reachability and firewall settings, then validate the connection string and credentials. For persistent issues, log the error messages and parameter values without exposing passwords. Make sure to close connections and retry developing with small test queries until behavior is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.